Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to shut down your PC with single click. Here I am going to make one shortcut. By just click on this, you can easily shut down your PC. Okay, I am going to apply it on my Windows 10 PC, but it is also very useful for Windows 8 users where shut down the PC is a multi-step process. But the problem has been resolved in Windows 8.1. So let's do it. So for that, just right click on my desktop and select new, and from the list select shortcut. Click on shortcut. Then create shortcut page will open. Here you have to write shutdown. Space -s space -t space 00 space -f. So this is the here S stands for shutdown and T denotes time and F denotes forcefully. So we need to forcefully shut down my PC. So that's it. After that you have to click on next. So here type a name of this shortcut. So I'm going to name it Shutdown PC and click on finish. Then you will find Shutdown PC icon generate. To make this shortcut look good, you have to change the desktop icon. So for that, right click on this and from here click on properties, and from here click on change icon. Okay, so you have to select one. In that case, I'm going to select this icon and click on OK. After that, apply OK. Now you can see it's generated. The icon is already been changed. Now just clicking this icon will instantly shut down your PC. Let's check it. If you really like this video, please do like, subscribe and share it with others. And of course, press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you. See you in my next video.